This is my 34-inch ultra widescreen curved monitor from LG. It's rocking a QHD resolution which translates to 3440 by 1440 pixels. This is a great monitor for gaming as well as video editing because the extra width and the curvature of the monitor creates a very immersive gaming and video editing experience. While editing videos in your favorite video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe, you get more horizontal space for editing your video timeline. This makes video editing so much fun on this monitor. Honestly, I cannot go back to a regular monitor after using this monitor for the last few months. Now regarding the build quality and aesthetics of this monitor, you are getting a nearly bezel-less design with a very narrow chin. As you can see here, I have mounted my monitor on my desk using a full motion swivel monitor arm. But you can use the included stand which supports height adjustment as well as tilt. I would recommend using the monitor arm because it frees so much space on your desk and you are going to love it. This monitor supports HDR10 and pumps out a peak brightness of 400 nits. It also delivers an impressive 99% sRGB color gamut, which makes it a great display for watching movies as well as editing videos and pictures. Now if you're a gamer, you will love its 160Hz fast refresh rate and the support for AMD FreeSync Premium, which synchronizes GPU and display refresh rate to prevent screen tearing and freezing during gameplay and video playback. The included speakers pump out 7 watts of peak audio, which is fine for day-to-day gaming and for typical video watching. You also get a bunch of HDMI, DisplayPort and USB port at the back of this monitor, which is nice. You can connect multiple devices to this monitor. Now both the HDMI and the DisplayPorts are using the latest industry standard protocol, so you will have no trouble hooking up your gaming PC or your latest Xbox or PlayStation console to this monitor. So overall, I love my LG 34-inch ultra widescreen curved monitor and I highly recommend it to my fellow gamers and content creators.